In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select a target registration form layout in Wix Editor and add a file upload field using Chrome. To get started, make sure you already have your Wix site open in the Chrome browser and that you're inside the Wix editor. This is important because the tools and prompts you need will appear directly within the editor interface. Once you're there, locate the registration form layout you want to work with. Take a moment to confirm that it's the correct form before making any changes, especially if your page includes more than one form. Choosing the right layout first helps prevent editing the wrong section by mistake. When you found the form, click inside the outline boundaries of that form. Be sure you're clicking within the form area itself, because this tells Wix exactly which element you want to edit. After you select it, look for the tool prompt labeled Add New Field. This option appears when the form is active and ready to be customized. Go ahead and click that button to open the field options available for this registration form. At this stage, you'll see a directory or list of different field types that can be added. Scroll down through the available options carefully rather than rushing, since the field you need may appear lower in the list. You're looking specifically for the file upload option. Once you see file upload, select it to add that field to your registration form. This is useful when you want people filling out the form to submit a document, image, or other file as part of their registration. For example, this kind of field can help collect supporting materials that may be required during signup. After selecting it, Wix will place the file upload field into the form layout you chose earlier. As a final tip, once the field has been added, it's a good idea to visually confirm that it appears in the correct position inside the form and matches the rest of the layout. Small checks like this can save time later and help keep your form organized and user-friendly. That's all you need to do. You've selected your target registration form in Wix Editor, opened the Add New Field tool, and chosen File Upload from the list of available options.